and other commercial settings. But the first domestic microwave oven was introduced in 1967 by the Amana Corporation. Today, microwave ovens are a common appliance in households and commercial kitchens around the world. Microwave ovens work by emitting high-frequency electromagnetic waves or microwaves, which cause water, fats, and sugar in food to vibrate and generate heat. Unlike conventional ovens which heat food by transferring heat through convection or conduction, microwaves cook food from the inside out. This allowed food to cook more quickly and evenly than in a conventional oven. To use a microwave oven, simply place the food inside, close the door, and set the cooking time and power levels.